first date.
So what year was this? 1984?
Yeah, so March 24th, 1984, we went on our first date ever in this 1982 Toyota truck of my dad's. So here we are in 2024, 40 years later,
Wow.
rebuilding it. We just finished rebuilding it tonight, and our first ride in it since probably almost 40 years.
Wow. 40 years. We're going to have to play Jack and Diane.
Yeah, once I get a radio that works. Talking about our air conditioning system we got going on here.
Right now we got some fresh air conditioning.
Yeah, it's called
Right
fresh
there.
air. I'm gonna go missile base.
So this is, you're taking her on her maiden voyage,
Yeah,
right?
since rebuilding. So back in 1990 or so, my dad put a 350 Chevy motor in here, and he used to race it around Louisiana. And in about 1999 to 2000, he parked it in his barn. And so back in 2020, summer of 2020, me and him pulled this out and worked on it to get it running. He passed away. This was our last project we worked on before he passed away. So today, here we are, June 10th, 2024. Finally got it rebuilt. It's this maiden voyage on the road.
She sounds good.
Yeah, she sounds real good. Thank you. Thank you, Sherry Free, for putting up with all this.
I'm happy for you.